purpose of this short video is to help you avoid failures and hotspots and to help you install your heating tape for optimal performance.
Before you get started, there's a few things that we think you should keep in mind. Make sure you have these tools prior to installing the heating tape. Be sure that the surface that you're applying the heat tape to is clean, dry, and free of burrs, oils, debris, or sharp edges. Ensure that you don't overlap the heating tape onto itself. Leave at least an 1/8 inch gap in between each wrap. You also want to ensure complete surface contact between the heating tape and the surface. Air gaps like these can cause hot spots, which can result in premature failures to the heating tape. In this application, we are going to use our heat conductive putty to bridge those gaps between the heating tape and the surface. Alright, let's begin.
When working with heat conductive putty, we recommend wearing proper personal protective equipment. Place a fair amount of putty where the transitions meet so that there will not be any air gaps when installing. With many heating tapes, you will need a temperature controller device. If you need help choosing one, please contact BriskHeat or use the BriskHeat website for more information. To make sure that the heat tape stays in place, we are using BriskHeat's high temperature fiberglass adhesive tape. We recommend this or high temperature aluminum adhesive tape because it will not damage the heating tape and it can withstand the high temperature that the heating tape produces. If you find that there are any spots that need to be reinforced with tape so there are no air gaps, feel free to add more where it is needed. Lastly, BriskHeat recommends the use of insulation on our heating products in order to avoid heat loss. You can also call or visit our website for more information on insulation products.